हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ मेरी पार्टी हो रही है।
आपके पास हॉट चॉकलेट है?
ओके, लेट्स गो। Yeah, 1.5, and I said way too much, but we will get to sleep and check into our hotel.
Maggie in the hills. You wanna tell them why we're here?
Yeah, we're actually here for a very close friend of ours, Aditi, her wedding.
Very
And-
Shimla for context.
For context, yeah, it's actually a little away from Shimla, but the property is incredible. If someone wants to come stay here,
Yeah, and the hotel is great. The lobby was fantastic. The rooms could be much better.
we are vouching. Yeah, we're vouching for it. Great views and like great
And
situation.
we're also trying our hand at vlogging. So
Yeah,
let us know.
This is like very new territory for us. My husband's gonna come on this vlog. He's very excited to be here, clearly. That's my best friend, Rudnya. And this one is very camera shy. He's doing a lot of healthy things in the morning. It's 10 a.m. Guys, what time is it exactly?
10:09.
And we're gonna get some sleep.
10:09 ka?
10:09.
We're gonna get some.
Yeah, we are in Shimla and it's 10:09 as per Rudnya and we are having a blast.
This is the bride whose wedding we're here for. Hi, Aditi.
for y'all.
Adu ka bhag gaya. Where's Bhanu, the groom?
He's coming. He's
Yes.
running a little late. The bride's on time here.
Oh wow,
no
that's a
compromise.
good. Guys, finally you're meeting the other husband of DPU, who's very shy. Show your face. Show your face. Oh, hero. We all just got up from like a very good sleep because we hadn't slept all night. And now we're gonna go get some food.
Oh.
टिक्का मसाला मंगाया ना
तिचा एक इंटरव्ह्यू बघितला का वैसे? She's like,
मलाई
मैं
चिकन
अपना
पिक
birthday
करतो मलाई चिकन और दूसरा कौन सा दोगे कबाब
The groom is working.
He's a cute groom. Let's do a cheers. Okay, cheers. Yay! Now we're gonna go get ready, and then we're gonna go to
the
Mall Road, Shimla. And I'm on the hunt of finding that one restaurant that was shown in Kapoor and Sons where they have shady Chinese and beer. And it's very cold, but we love it. Hi guys! We're back at the Shimla Mall Road. Oh, the husbands have finally shown their face. The fun part is that all of us came here about 10 years ago. So, no, actually, she wasn't there, but it's fine. Most of us were. And it's great growing up with friends and coming here again and doing the same shit.
I just walked about a kilometer because this one
It's such an exaggeration. It literally said 300 meters on the maps.
kilometers to visit this iconic place called Trishul Papers.
Suggested by
Preeti
Zinta. I think it's gonna be jolly good, guys. She's eating it. Are you excited for Trishul? Preeti is. Preeti auntie?
Preeti auntie is like, you have to go there.
Fan.
Doesn't live up to
Oh,
the
wait.
height.
A few minutes later.
There is literally nothing.
आपके पास हॉट चॉकलेट है?
नहीं सब कुछ नहीं है खत्म
Or coffee.
कॉफी भी बंद कर दी मशीन।
We really wanted to have momos. So we ran for another kilometer. Haters will say that's exaggerated. Okay, only the cutest villa that has put me and my best friend and our husbands together. This is husband number 1. Now, yeah. My husband and I are. Okay, this is the second villa. This is my luggage matching the goddamn villa. And this is my husband.
कितने पास हैं कितनी दूर हैं चांद सितारे
It's day 2.
One.
Actually, day 1 of the wedding. Day 2 for us. And I think we've done a really good job with the makeup. I think I've done a good job with the hair. This is the outfit for the mehendi. Nothing in my hand because obviously we have to draw the mehendi. And the reaction is just short. This. सीधे कहने नाचले. Good morning, guys. We are on day 3 and we just got up. It's 12:30. The weather is such. Sadly, we have to shift everything indoor, but that's fine. A party is a party. Today we have the haldi and the cocktail in the evening. Actually, the haldi is now. वॉइस ओवर नाही आलं तुझा येणार असाच ऑडिओ. हाय लॉरेन्स.
Alex, say something. Say something about the weather. Like.
Where are the momos?
A few moments later.
Taste test.
Go for it.
Incredible momos that Rudnya got for us.
Zooming in.
Okay, it's a very good.
How is it, guys?
Really good. Especially when the weather.
Hi, this is Aniket and this is my first shot.
Hi, I'm Priyanka. This is my second shot. Hi, I'm Rudnya. This is my second shot.
Hi, I'm Anush and this is my first shot.
Hi, I'm Sanjana. This is my second shot of the night.
It's day 4. This is where the mandap is. And it's finally sunny. 3 days later. I would like a rainy Shimla actually. together in about 10 minutes. So, picture. Okay, bye. Yesterday was a cocktail. It was very chaotic, which is how we didn't manage to get anything.
But I think the last bit we showed was the haldi. After that we got ready. We went for the sangeet. We slept really late. We got back to the rooms at around 4 5
a.m. Yeah, and
today morning with the
Varmala,
Yeah.
which we just made it in time. Like I ran while she was entering. So
and it's sunny today. The weather is
Yeah.
amazing. So
the
we're
gods
very
are happy
about
with
that.
Adu. The gods want Adu to get married under this beautiful sun. And now there was like sun right when she was doing the Varmala.
अनिकेत तुला काय बोलायचं आहे का?
वेदर मस्त आहे.
रुद्न्या
सोबत पण मजा पण येते.
हॅलो.
Okay, so we're just back from the wedding. We're comfortable. We've set up a little party for ourselves over here.
Chai.
There's a little chai. There's some biscuits
And some khakra.
Yay! And us in our quad sets, we're very comfortable.
Yes.
What do we have afterwards?
So we wrapped the wedding, and then we have a mehfil at night that we're gonna go attend. But because last night was heavy, we're gonna get some sleep now. But I don't know why we're having chai before sleep. But we just wanted to like have chai. So because it's like 4 p.m. So that's fine. It's chai time. What do you think of destination weddings, Aru?
I actually really like them, and we came here a day in advance so that we could go and explore Shimla a little bit. And it's been raining actually ever since we came, but even rainy Shimla was a vibe.
Rainy
And
Shimla was
yeah,
actually better vibe.
yeah. And today it's sunny, and the wedding was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
It was really
Actually,
nice.
I was about to cry, but we all controlled ourselves because finally she got the sun out today for today's function. Most of the functions we had to shift them inside because of the rain, and even then they were like a blast. But I think destination weddings depend a lot on who's shadi. It's
Yeah.
like
And also the events, because today so we have a live music bonfire night, and I think the events kind of really, you know, they should fit the mahal
they
of the
should put
place.
them on. And also keep all the guests entertained.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the guests are just loitering here and there. For example, like a haldi has an activity that is to go put haldi. All other functions need something to sort of anchor the event together, is what we think. It's
Yeah.
like sometimes nowadays, even like an open bar doesn't work.
Yeah.
Sadly, the standard that we have. But yes, this was the most iconic wedding because Adu is such a close friend, so we were like on the forefront doing everything with her. So yeah, it was great. We love you, Adu.
We love you. You made a beautiful bride.
Yeah.
And Abhanu, you're really the most handsome guy
Yeah,
in the world,
most
in the
handsome
family, in the
party,
world.
In the family, let's go. Also, this is not actually a destination wedding, guys. Bhanu, like the groom, is from Shimla. His place is like 45 minutes from here. So this was sort of like the shadi.
Local for him.
Yeah, local for
Yeah,
him.
destination
Like
for us.
groom's
Yeah.
Wife.
Okay. See you. Mwah.
Hi guys. Okay, we're out of Shimla now. We're going to Chandigarh. She's really sick because she partied harder than she can. Ever. She thought she's like a solid big party girl. She's
But
not.
I'm not.
She's not.
Not at all.
And okay, signing off. Bye. Bye.